What's good, everybody? Today we're looking at the RDX weightlifting belt. It's 100% cowhide leather, features a 6mm thickness, so it's not flimsy like some of the other ones. It's designed for exceptional lumbar support and durability. It's available in multiple colors, and you should use this for any deadlifts, any powerlifting, and most dumbbells if you're pushing heavy weight. So stay tuned as we dive into its features so it can elevate your fitness game. What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the belt that I use at the gym. This is some of the stuff that I also use at the gym. So these are our figure 8 grips. They help me powerlift and deadlift a little more weight. These are the gloves that I use. These are the RDX. These are my knee protectors. I wrap them to, again, make sure that my knees don't buckle under the weight. And then these are my wrist straps as well. These go right here around my wrist. And again, I use these with weightlifting gloves every single time. But we are going to focus on this belt right here. This does come in different colors. This is the RDX weightlifting belt for men and women. It's IPL USPA approved. It's 6mm thick, 100% leather. It's 4 inches wide. It gives you pretty good back support for squats, deadlifts, pretty much any heavyweight bodybuilding exercise, up to about 700 pounds, which means everybody's going to be able to use this. The stitching is really for show, but it is also functional, and the inside is very soft and it's felt. The clasp, heavy duty stainless steel. It's got quite a lot of perforation holes, so you can definitely go really tight. I mean, look at that waist. That's like a 16-inch waist if you really want to. Now let's take a look at this belt in action. So why would you want belt? Well, you don't want to worry about stability while weightlifting a lot of weight. It makes it a lot easier to perform workouts for deadlifting, squatting, Olympic lifting, and cross training, among many other workouts that you may want to have as part of your fitness regime. It's got very good back support, so this will go on the very back. RDX is honestly pretty good quality. I mean, a lot of MMA fighters use it and professional weightlifters, so I definitely trust this particular brand. Most of my stuff is from RDX, although I do have other boxing pads. I definitely do purchase weightlifting gear from RDX. The belts are also good for people who may have had a hernia, and it's going to give you that confidence to bench press, maybe do some leg presses, as well as lat pull downs, tricep extensions, and any other form of exercise. Seriously, you probably want to consider this, especially if you had a hernia or you have any back ailments as well. So that's the video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next one.